the camels walk through a final curtain of light that uses UV rays for total sterilization.
Vitals on Camel Beta remain stable.
Adjusting the thermal overlay on Sector 4. Oxygen levels look good.
A red laser grid passes over the body, mapping every inch of the hide for the separation process.
The machine completes its work, trying to completely separate the skin from the body. The camel's body is resisting. The remaining natural material is placed on Belt B, which is made of food-grade stainless steel. Suction. The air is sucked out instantly, and the film shrinks perfectly around the meat, creating a vacuum seal.
Fluctuation in the biostasis readings.
It's stabilizing now, but that spike was significant.
Pressing. Large heated steel rollers press the leather to remove excess moisture and ensure uniform thickness.
The leather passes through a spray booth, where it is dyed in a luxurious black and mahogany finish.
Softening. A machine with thousands of tiny fingers vibrates the leather to make it ultra soft and supple. The texture is consistent. Approved for processing.
zippered boot is placed on the last. A machine places the shoe mold inside the boot and presses the thick rubber sole onto the leather base from the bottom.